Hello, I'm Ellen Goldberg, and welcome to this tarot moment from the School of Oracles. In this segment, we're going to take a look at the Temperance card, one of the most wonderful cards of the deck. This card is the card of the Holy Guardian Angel. The angel pictured in this card is Michael, or as it is said magically, Michael. How do we know it's Michael? Because of the solar disk at the place of the third eye on his forehead. Notice the circle with the dot in it representing the sun. He's mixing things, and in fact the word temperance means, or comes from, temperāre, to mix and to combine properly. There is a path in this card, and that path is the golden path to attainment. Notice the crown at the end of the path. That crown refers to the top theira on the tree of life, Keter, the crown. He has one foot, Michael, on the ground and one in a pool. The pool represents the collective unconscious. On the tree of life, it is the sphere of Assad, which is water and the moon, and out of which rises the middle pillar of the tree, and that golden path is the middle pillar, right to the top, right to the Godhead, the crown. This angel has one foot in the collective unconscious, where you can contact him. We meet these marvelous beings deep within ourselves. In fact, the conversation of the Holy Guardian Angel is at the heart of alchemy. The iris growing by the side of the pool represents the goddess Iris, who was the goddess of the rainbow, and that is a symbol of peace and promise. This card encourages us to try and to test. Its Hebrew letter, samek, means a tent peg, that great pole that rises in the center of a tent that is the basic structure for keeping the whole thing aloft. Our Holy Guardian Angel props us up, keeps us aloft. In fact, it is said, and it's going to be one of the meanings that I use often on the higher polarity, that there is nothing that happens to us that is not set by our own Holy Guardian Angel. Every test, every challenge has been made for us in a very particular way. When you get this card on the higher polarity, be willing to take the heat. Be willing to experiment. For the intelligence given to Samek is the intelligence of probation or trial, meaning you really only know once you've tested things out. Do you know that in the 14th century this card used to be called the Alchemist? It's also your own personal physician and is a wonderful card to meditate on and to simply gaze upon when you need a healing. And of course, when you want to invoke the presence, for each person has a guardian angel. I love those words from the Torah that says, every blade of grass has an angel that bends over it and whispers, grow, grow. Our angel does that too. So on the higher polarity, it's taking the heat, testing, trying things out, experimenting, walking on the middle path, and also the presence of your own angel being near. On the lower polarity, it's more like the urge to escape. You don't want to take the heat. And the refusal to turn to aid from a higher source. On behalf of the School of Oracles, I thank you for being with me. Bye for now.